I'm very surprised that I found this good ones that I found in Marshall. Alright everyone, so this is what we picked up, our haul from Marshall's. So as you can see, actually it's one of the biggest haul in Marshall's since I've been doing this, because some of them, sometimes I only got 5 pairs, something like that. Today I have more than 10 pairs or something like that. So and some others are multiple size and multiple items with more than 5. So starting off with this New Balance. So we got size 9.5 in here, 8.5, 8.5, another 8.5, and another size 11. So let's check this out. Check out the color on this one. It's a nice color of navy blue-ish with university red accent with suede, as you can see right there. And we bought this one for $34.99, so almost somewhere around 36 plus tax. The market value on this one, so checking out the eBay, which is some of them are reselling for 69, some of them for 59. This one is 71.97, and most of them are buyer paid for the shipping. So if the price were 69.99, then buyer paid shipping, and 79 free shipping. So okay, so let's see if how much we make on this one. So let's say cost value is 36 and final price, if we sold it, is 69. Then our profit should be 27.84, or at least a 77.33% return of investment. So let's say if I wanted them to sell it on 69, then that's my price, or that's my return. As you can see, it is flooded 223. Checking out how much has been sold. Alright, check that out. So it's only 51 has been sold. Some of them just sold recently. Looks like it's been selling out every single day. So some of them are price low bowling for 59 with free shipping. So I think I could still do a price of $79.99. So check this one, is selling out for $119. See, 813, and the size is size 10. So I got size 11 there. The size and are varies with the price that they're trying to do, especially bigger sizes. So I would say I would wait out a little bit longer to make it more money. Probably somewhere $89.99 or something like that. Or if I'm lucky, I could let it go for 100, but you'll never know. But this is a good one because it is a New Balance, really, and it is made in USA. So I'll wait out a little bit, because, and especially I got the complete box, so that's a good one, right? All right. Okay, moving on with this Nike SB. So we got Nike SB here, another different Nike SB, I think, on this one. So I have 4 of this Nike SB Check Solar, size 6, and size 6.5. Okay, so how much did I bought them for? And we bought this for $24.99, and the actual retail price is $70. There are only 4 listing, and they are reselling from $59.99, $89, and the sizes on this one is, looks like it's been sold out. Smaller sizes, as you can see, 6, 6.5. So the smaller sizes is not that much have in stocks. Like this one is 6, and that one is size 6.5. So if I'm gonna list it now, then I could at least list them for maybe 79. I will try to 79 with free shipping, or maybe do a 59.99 and then buyer paid for the shipping. And if we're gonna do that, and then at least we're making a 37.84 profit, it's like 145% return of investment. So if I wanted to go lower, it's still a good profit because I bought them for very cheap, complete with box. SB is doing really good today and this year, I mean. So I might gonna do a quick flip, or maybe at least wait out probably 49, 59. You'll never know. Nike's been doing really good, so this one's really good as well. Alright, what do you think? So next one, we get the other Nike SB. I believe we only had one pair on this one. So this is the Nike SB FC standard, color is bass gray, laser blue. So almost just the same price, $24.99. So after tag, somewhere around 26 or something. Nice padding on this one. Okay, so look into the eBay, there is only 6 result or 6 listing. So the cheapest one is 59 with buy pay for the shipping and $60. So free shipping $60. Same price if we wanted to resell them for 69, and then the buyer pay for the shipping cost is 26. Same 37 and 145, or maybe let's say we'll cut it off a little bit, 59. Then we're still making 28, and we're still doubling our money, 100.9% return of investment. So if I'm gonna do a quick flip, being on next one, we got this is the only pair that we got on this store. Nike Epic React Planet 2. The retail is 150, color is blue void blue, but look at the price, $39.99. So cheap. The other one that they had in the store was a different colorway, but it was priced on $59.99. So that's why I left it behind, because Nike React Planet 2, you can get them on the outlet for at least somewhere around $50 after the discount if you have the 30%. So some of them are doing $79.99, additional 30, but this one is already really good deal for $39.99, complete with box, and it is also a good one, size 11.5. Okay, so checking out the comps. If you look into the StockX, as you can see, the last sale was 63. That is a mistake, but if you look into here, there's is 11.5 that's been sold August 20 for 105. So I don't know, maybe a glitch something right there, but if I wanted to sell it out on 11.5, someone is trying to resell them for 83 and someone is buying them for 55. But because this is a nice good quality shoes, I will gonna wait out. At least I'm gonna sell this one somewhere around 89-90. Really good running shoes, so I'll wait out a little bit to at least not just doubling my money, maybe triple my money, because this one is bought them for 40 something with tax. Okay, what's next? We got two more, and we got this Harden LS Buckle. We got the size 11, size 9.5, and another 9.5 here. So three of this Harden LS Lifestyle 2 buckle, and check out how much we bought on this one. You'll be surprised how much they cheap are. So this is kind of lifestyle shoes from Harden, especially is triple black with suede on top, $24.99. So cheap, very cheap pair of shoes. And if we look into the eBay, what's going on on eBay? They are selling for 80. I mean, the result is 86, and some are reselling them for below 48. That is very low, 48, somewhere right there. Wow. Low bowler. Some trying to bid on 20. This is a triple black lifestyle shoes, very comfortable, especially using the boost. I would say I'm gonna wait out a little bit because this one is platted also on a different Marshalls. But let's see how much has been sold. So 86 result, 21 has been sold. Some of them sold yesterday. Someone sold it today, $64.99. Best offer accepted. 69. So this is what's going on with the other low ballers, because they bought this one for $24.99 and they just wanna let it go for $50 and with free shipping. So it's almost like 50% though, but no, it's almost 100%, because they bought it for 29, selling for maybe 45. Then maybe they sold this one for 45, but some of them reselling for 89, 69, 62. So not bad. So if it's for me, I'm just gonna wait a little bit, because if I'm gonna wait out a little bit, sold them for 89, 80, then at least I could double, triple my money. So good finds on this one, very cheap for Harden lifestyle shoes, especially triple black with a boost. So you can't go wrong on that one. Well, I could wear them though. Size 11. Alright, moving on. And lastly, so one tip for you, if you are also in Marshall, TJ Maxx, look for something, a high-end shoes. So we got here the Cole Hand Zero Ground, and I think this is the newer version of Zero Ground high-end shoes also. So something like this. There you go. What do you think? So this one is usually when a high-end shoes or high-end lifestyle shoes or office shoes, something like that, it was colored violet something. And then this one we bought them for clearance for $36. And as you can see, I know someone here who knew shoes might gonna think that is really cheap, right? Especially Cole Haan. You know, if the retail of Cole Haan is somewhere around 150, almost 200, and we only got them for 39. The $59.99 is already good deal though, but getting them for that price, wow. So be on the lookout, not just for sneakers or athletic shoes. Look also for lifestyle shoes, or something that they could wear it on the office, on the work. Like sometimes I bought like boots, because boots were by people who wear them by daily living or daily work. So look also for something that not just for sneaker. It's always to go out of your sneaker thing, but profit. Okay, so speaking of profit, let's see how much they are listed. So they are listed like 66 result, and some of them are reselling for 68, here 89, 99, 80. So that price is already good ones. So let's check out how much has been sold. Boom. So it's like 9 results only, but check out the price they have been selling: 68, 89, 85, 85, 116, 69, 89, best offer. So the prices is really good. That's why I didn't pass on it, even though there's only 9 results. I knew that it's gonna be resell, because I knew that did also sold out some Cole Haan before, and especially one of high-end shoes, I would say. So always be on the lookout on those. Okay, all right. So with that being said, what do you think on this whole on Marshalls? So nice, good ones on the New Balance, Nike SB, the Epic React, very cheap, Harden and Harden lifestyle shoes, and some kind of casual office shoes, Colhan, and got them for very cheap. So what do you think? Okay, can you please leave a comment down below? Okay, all right. Okay, I hope you like this video today and hope you learned something, especially if you're looking into a different type of trying to resell, not just sneaker, casual shoes or office shoes. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave also a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.